National Funding Business Loan Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think all business loans are the same. But in 2025, National Funding has refined its approach to small business lending, offering flexible financing options for companies that need fast capital without the headaches of traditional bank loans. Today, we're diving deep into the National Funding Business Loan to see whether it's truly worth it or if you should leave it behind. Let's start with ***. What National Funding is ***. Founded in 1999, National Funding specializes in providing small business loans, equipment financing, and working capital solutions. Unlike banks, which often have strict credit requirements and lengthy approval processes, National Funding aims to deliver faster funding with more flexible criteria. In 2025, they continue to cater to businesses of all sizes, especially those that may not qualify for conventional bank loans. Here's ***. How National Funding works ***. In 2025. 1. Loan application process ***. The application is entirely online. You submit basic business information, including revenue, time in business, and credit history. National Funding then reviews the application and provides pre-approval decisions in as little as 24 hours. 2. Loan options ***. National Funding offers several types of financing. Working capital loans ***. Designed to cover day-to-day expenses, payroll, or inventory needs. These loans range from $5,000 to $500,000. Equipment financing ***. Tailored for purchasing new or used business equipment. Payments are structured over the life of the equipment, often with tax benefits for depreciation. Merchant cash advances ***. Advanced cash based on future credit card sales, repaid daily or weekly as a percentage of sales. MCAs provide immediate funding but often come with higher costs. 3. Approval criteria ***. National Funding looks at business revenue, bank statements, and credit history. They are more flexible than banks, often approving businesses with limited credit history or slightly lower FICO scores. 4. Funding timeline Once approved, funds can be deposited into your account in 24-48 hours. The speed is a major selling point for businesses that need money quickly. 5. Repayment structure Depending on the product, repayment can be daily, weekly, or monthly. National Funding's goal is to align repayments with cash flow, reducing the risk of missed payments for businesses with variable income. Now, let's examine the pros and cons of National Funding in 2025 Pros Fast funding Some loans can be approved and funded within 24-48 hours, ideal for urgent capital needs. Flexible credit requirements Businesses with imperfect credit can still qualify. Variety of loan products From working capital to equipment financing, National Funding provides multiple solutions. Online application and management The entire process is digital, making it convenient for busy business owners. Cash flow aligned repayments Daily or weekly repayments can match your revenue streams, easing pressure during slow months. Cons Higher costs Interest rates and fees are often higher than traditional bank loans, particularly for merchant cash advances. Short-term focus MCAs and working capital loans are designed for quick cash flow solutions, not long-term financing. Repayment pressure Daily or weekly repayment schedules can strain businesses with inconsistent revenue. Limited loan amounts While sufficient for small to medium businesses, very large projects may exceed National Funding's limits. Consider real-world examples Tina, a retail store owner needed inventory replenishment before the holiday season. Traditional banks required weeks of paperwork, but National Funding approved her working capital loan in 24 hours, allowing her to stock up and maximize holiday sales. Garage, a construction business owner used equipment financing to buy a new excavator. Payments were structured over 5 years, aligning with revenue generated by new projects. Lisa, a cafe owner took a merchant cash advance to cover a sudden rent increase. While repayment was higher than a bank loan, the speed and ease of access prevented eviction and allowed her to continue operations uninterrupted. Comparing national funding to alternatives in 2025. Traditional bank loans. Banks offer lower interest rates, but require stronger credit and a longer approval process. National funding is faster but costlier. SBA loans. Small Business Administration loans provide favorable terms, but can take weeks or months to fund. National funding is ideal for immediate capital needs. Other online lenders. Competitors like Kabbage, On Deck, or Bluevine offer similar services. National funding differentiates itself with a broader range of products and personalized service. Tips for using national funding responsibly. 1. Match loan type to need. Use working capital loans for short-term cash flow, equipment financing for assets, and MCAs for urgent, sales-based funding. 2. Understand costs. Carefully review interest rates, factor rates, and repayment terms before committing. 3. Plan for repayment. Ensure your business has the revenue to handle daily or weekly payments, especially with MCAs. 4. Combine with financial planning. Use national funding loans as part of a broader financial strategy, not as a sole solution to ongoing deficits. Security and reliability in 2025. National funding employs bank-level encryption and secure data storage for all online applications. Customer support is available via phone and email, and they provide transparent disclosure of all fees and repayment obligations before approval. So, the big question. Is national funding worth it or leave it? If your business needs fast, flexible funding and you understand the cost and repayment structure, national funding is worth it. If your business can qualify for lower cost bank or SBA loans and can wait for approval, you might save money by leaving national funding aside for now. In conclusion, the National Funding Business Loan in 2025 is a practical solution for small and medium-sized businesses needing rapid access to capital. Its flexibility, variety of loan products, and quick funding make it especially attractive for businesses that face unpredictable expenses or seasonal spikes. While costs can be higher than traditional financing, the convenience and speed often justify the price. For business owners looking to bridge cash flow gaps, purchase equipment quickly, or manage short-term financial needs, national funding is a tool worth serious consideration.